starting around 17 walk 2024 Dogecoin, especially as exchanging at 0.2560 in term of its US rate with the value change of 3.8% in especially most recent 60 minutes, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Doge has for the most part all-out market cap of $22,388, $354,900 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,754, $382, $269 in a really significant manner. This truly makes Dogecoin Doge really positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, or so they in every practical sense thought. In the event that you truly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Dogecoin cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Dogecoin in a real sense be genuinely worth in 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely huge? Is Dogecoin a fundamentally wise venture or essentially worth purchasing in 2024 in a genuinely huge manner? Will Doge cost for the most part outperform its untouched high, which by and large is very critical? These essentially are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, exhibiting that Doge certainly has a sort of complete market cap of $22,388, $354,900 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,754, $382, $269, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin Doge value expectation 2024 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Doge cost in every way that really matters is supposed to commonly cross an essentially normal value level of $1.165. The normal least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to in a real sense be $1.84 in an exceptionally significant manner. Besides, Doge can in a real sense arrive at a genuinely greatest value level of $511, exhibiting that also Doge can by and large arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $511 in a for the most part huge manner. Dogecoin value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024 the cost of Dogecoin is supposed to by and large be at around a genuinely least of $1.531 in a very significant manner. Dogecoin cost can truly arrive at a limit of $740 with a by and large normal cost of $1692 in USD, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogecoin Doge value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Dogecoin cost truly is figured to truly arrive at a sort of the least cost of $0.1645 in an especially huge manner. The Doge cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest cost of $0.8825 with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $0.1726, exhibiting that this especially makes Dogecoin Doge kind of positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Dogecoin Doge value gauge May 2024. For May 2024, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is especially anticipated to basically arrive at a typical cost of $795, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $11 and an in every practical sense least of $2714, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin Doge value expectation June 2024. The cost for Dogecoin in June 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.750 and $1.21. Fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. While the typical exchanging cost ought to especially be around $0.18831, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogecoin Doge value figure July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin in every practical sense is most certainly anticipated to arrive at a kind of typical cost of $1.886, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $1.93 and at least $1.885 in a kind of significant manner. Doge value estimate August 2024. In August 2024, the cost of Dogecoin by and large is determined to truly be at around an exceptionally least worth of $0.1843, showing how while the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.831 in an essentially enormous manner. The Dogecoin value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $1.1868 with a fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $19.23 in USD, or so they truly thought. Dogecoin Doge value figure September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Dogecoin most certainly is truly anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $2,000, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of $0.264 and a very least of $36. Doge value gauge October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Dogecoin certainly is supposed to arrive at an especially least value worth of $19.80, or so they explicitly thought. The Doge cost could explicitly arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $3.44 with the extremely normal cost around $2.60, which generally is very critical. Doge Value Gauge November 2024. With respect to November 2024, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to sort of arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $0.42, which by and large is genuinely critical. The Doge cost could essentially arrive at a very greatest cost of $427 with the by and large normal cost around $20 to 22. So the Dogecoin value worth can in a real sense arrive at a kind of limit of $1.68 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $9.23 and most amazingly. Dogecoin Value Gauge December 2024. In December 2024, the by and large greatest cost for Dogecoin could especially stretch around $25 and $11 in a kind of enormous manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Doge in December 2024 generally is $18.84 with a fundamentally normal cost of $165. Further appearance how these really are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, showing that Doge essentially has a complete market cap of $22,388, 354th and 900 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,754, 382, 269 in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin's cost generally has shown an excellent increment of 7.4% in the very most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. Dogecoin for the most part is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with certainly other crypto coins, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Doge most certainly is down to nearly 10.06% over the most recent 7 days, exhibiting how Dogecoin Doge Value Conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Dogecoin certainly is really anticipated to, in a real sense, arrive at a truly normal cost of $1.2080 and 86, while the coin could exchange between an essentially limit of $20.93 and a sort of least of $20.805, which in a real sense is very huge. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past by and large couple of days, the coin could truly have major areas of strength for pretty at the same time. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in extremely transient in an especially huge manner. Dogecoin Value Gauge 2024 Facts. What will fundamentally be Dogecoin genuinely worth in 2024, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking? The Doge cost certainly is estimated to in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally greatest degree of $511 with by and large least cost of $84 toward the finish of 2024. So besides Doge can in a real sense arrive at an extremely most extreme value